Hi, my name is Siti Nur Hafizah binti Sukira, S58874. I will talk about what is sunscreen, what does SPF mean, and also benefit of sunscreen. Sunscreen, also known as a sunblock, is a lotion or other topical preparation that absorb or reflect some of the sun's ultraviolet rays on sun-exposed skin, thereby reducing the risk of sunburn. So sunscreens are categorized as either physical sunscreen or chemical sunscreens. Physical sunscreen reflect UVA and UVB, while chemical sunscreen absorb UVA and UVB. What does SPF mean? SPF stands for Sun Protection Factor, and it is assigned to each variety of sunscreen. It describes how well a product protects against UVB light. The protection provided by a product with a higher SPF value is greater. The protection offered by sunscreen of different SPF is as follows. SPF 15 blocks about 93% of all UVB rays. SPF 30 filter out 70%, while SPF 50 is an almost completely UVB block at 90%. This percentage shows that no sunscreen blocks all UVB. It also shows that an apparently large increase in SPF will boost the blocking power by only a small percentage. Benefit of sunscreen. First, reduce risk of skin cancer. Wearing sunscreen with an SPF of 50 lowers the risk of squamous cell carcinoma by 40% and melanoma by 50%. Second, protect against sunburn. UVA and UVB are the two types of damaging radiation found in sunlight. Sunscreen protect the skin against UV radiation by absorbing, reflecting, or dispersing light. Third, prevent the early onset of wrinkles and fine lines. Long-term exposure to UVA radiation causes skin to age prematurely, resulting loss of collagen and suppleness. By using sunscreen, it may protect from the early sign of aging.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurfika Sahabati Azami. My matric number is S59666. Today, I will going to talk about the typical ingredient in sunscreen. So now I am going to briefly explain some of the ingredients together with its benefit. Firstly, being moisturizing. It has a low risk of causing skin irritation and does not absorb extensively into the skin. It is also can absorb UVA and UVB radiation. Next is autocrylene. Autocrylene is usually used as a fragrance in sunscreen. It's photosensitive and non-irradiating, as well as non-allergenic. However, because of its widespread usage in sunscreen product, it has resulted in an increase in sensitivation. Then moving on to methyl methoxydibenzylmethane, it absorbs UV rays and transforms them into less harmful infrared energy, which is heat. That is zinc oxide. It is one of the few sunscreen components that successfully block both UVA and UVB. Zinc oxide is also mild on skin and less likely to irritate the skin. Then is homosalate. Homosalate is a kind of salicylate that is sometimes associated with allergies. The fact that it does not absorb UVA rays and has poor UVB absorption characteristic is a disadvantage. It is typically combined with other chemical absorbent sunscreen components. Next is alkyl salicylate. When we're talking about UVA and UV absorption, alkyl salicylate is like homosalate. Then the second last ingredient is 4-methylbenzidine. According to European research, this lysine sunscreen would have to be 100,000 times more effective to have estrogen-like effects. And lastly, titanium oxide. Because of its high reflective index, great UV light absorption properties, and also the resistance to discoloration under UV radiation, titanium dioxide can be found in typically every sunscreen with a physical blocker.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aisyah binti Otsman Ali with the metric number S60071. Today I'm going to explain about the KIM 4101 assignment. I'm going to talk about the colloid with sunscreen. Sunscreen is a colloidal system containing emulsions and particle dispersions. These colloidal systems are constituted by hydrophilic, hydrophobic, and amphiphilic compounds. Therefore, sunscreen have suitable water-soluble and liposoluble properties to form films over the skin surface. Moreover, these properties provide sensory characteristics to sunscreen which will stimulate their use as skin cosmetics. Sunscreen formulations containing inorganic or organic filters or mixture of them were synthesized by oil or water dispersion. Sunscreen formulations are time-dependent non-Newtonian fluids. Lastly, viscosity is an important property to evaluate the colloidal stability of sunscreens since it is directly associated to the surface interactions between sunscreen ingredients.
Hello, my name is Nur Hamizah Huda binti Muhammad Syafini. My matrix number S59771. I'm going to explain about our new sunscreen product. We decide to give our product name is Sunjoji. It is a sunscreen innovation in stick format with handy-on-go packaging and can keep your skin from UVA or UVB rays as well as blue light radiance. So, these are benefits of Sunjoji.
Hi, my name is Nura Atika binti Muhammad Saidun and my matric number is S58556. Okay, and I'm going to explain about new material used to make a better sunscreen and ingredient and procedure that to produce a new sunscreen.
New material used to make a better sunscreen. First, mugwort. It because it can lower the heat of the skin and clear the blood to help skin elasticity and radiance. And then second, glycerin. It because it can act as a natural moisturizer and to help make the sunscreen more spreadable. Ingredient: first, mineral water, and then second, pure glycerin, and then third, zinc oxide, and then extract mugwort and spatula, and lastly, beaker. Procedure to produce new sunscreen. First, take 50 ml of mineral water and then add 1 teaspoon pure glycerin and then mix well to make a lotion, and then add 3 to 4 teaspoons zinc oxide, and then if the total quantity is 60 ml, and then drop 4 drop of extract mugwort and then mix well the mixture, and then the sunscreen product form.
Hi, this is Hamizah again. So I'm going to explain about our marketing, production, cost, and profit plan. For marketing, this product is a physical sunscreen which free from alcohol and have non-sticky formulation. Also, it is reflects UVA and UVB rays, thus have a longer UV protection. For the price, we decide to sell with 18 ringgit Malaysia, and there is 20% discount for first 100 customer only. So don't be late and buy it now. Next, we use online shopping platform for promoting our products such as Shopee, Zalora, and Lazada. The packaging is very nice because it is stick format with a handy-on-go. Then, we targeting young adults aged 15 to 24 who active in outdoor activities. Also, we're gonna sell it for a walk-in at supermarket, university or school, and drugstores. Lastly, the positioning is to make applying sunscreen easy and mess-free. So, as you can see, this is our production, cost, and profit plan. As a conclusion, the colloidal stability of sunscreen formulation depends on the interfacial structuring, which is maintained by surface interactions between sunscreen ingredients. Lastly, the sunscreen formulation obtained are time-dependent, non-Newtonian colloidal system classified as thiotropic fluids. The colloidal stability of these thiotropic fluids depends on both the temperature and the sunscreen active ingredients present in their composition.